Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this flap card. This is the one we're going to actually make today with the Over the Moon stamp set. So this flap opens up and then you have another panel inside. Isn't that cute? So let me go ahead and show you the one that we made in the glitter pit yesterday. Here's one using the Boo to You stamp set and I changed it up a little bit. So if you want to catch out the replay, you can click the link down below in the description box. So this one opens up like that and then you open it up like that. So cute. All right, so click the link down below for the glitter pit replay on this card. Okay, so we're going to make this one today. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to start with the basic black, and this piece is cut at 4 1/8 by 9 5/8, and then you're going to score it at 4 1/4. So this is going to make your card here that opens up, and then the base part that layers behind the basic black is cut at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Then your inside panel of your Whisper White is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. Then the front panel, we're going to make our own designer paper. So the Whisper White for the front is cut at 3 7/8 by 4. And you're going to put your 4-inch across the top. Because if you put the 3 7/8, it's not going to be proportioned right. So you can see that hopefully on the camera. So make sure your 4-inch is along the top. Okay? And then you're going to need a strip of basic black, and this is cut at 1 inch by 4, and then you're going to score this at 3 or just 1. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and make our designer paper for the front of the card. These are the two stamp sets we're using. The Over the Moon for all the cows and the greetings. So this is the Party Till the Cows Come Home is going to be stamped on the inside, and then your Utterly Fantastic for the inside panel right here. Let me show you the card again. So this is going to be stamped for the little cow here. Okay. And then to make our designer paper, we're using the Love What You Do. We're using these two spots or these watercolor marks from the stamp set to make the cow spots on this layer right here. Okay, so we're going to use our Memento ink. And I have my two spots or my two watermarks here on the one block. So I'm just going to go ahead and randomly stamp around this piece of Whisper White really quick. Okay, so there's our designer paper that we made with our stamps. Okay, so let's grab our insert here, the inside part, and we're going to stamp our cows. So what I did first is I took the cow with the flower. I'm going to stamp this one right over here in the bottom left. And then the one that's laying down, stamp that one next to the one with the flower. And then the one with the little flip-de-doo, yeah, I'm going to stamp him. I know, he's got udders, but I still think it's a bull cow. Okay, so he's going to be upside down because I thought it was really cute. For the inside, it says Party Till the Cows Come Home. So they're kind of crazy acting, so I thought that was really cute. So we're just going to go ahead and stamp this greeting right here. Hopefully, yeah, that's right. Hopefully I can get it stamped straight. Yep, that looks pretty good. Okay, so then I went ahead and also stamped the little cow here, this one, and I stamped this one for the front. And I went ahead and did all that, and I already colored in all the cows too. So what I used for those is the Granny Apple Green light, the Smoky Slate light, the Basic Black Dark, the Flirty Flamingo light, and then the Petal Pink in the light. And then I also used some Wink of Stella. So let me show you the finished ones here that I already colored and cut out. So here are the layers. So here's the one that's going to go on the inside. So you can see I already colored that. So I went ahead and already cut out the cows and the scallop edge with the basic black. And I used my layering squares dies. Let me measure the pieces so you know how big the dies were. Okay, so the scallop is 2 3/4 square. And then the two with the front and then the inside panel, these are both cut at 2 3/8 square. Okay, so those are going to layer on that little square, really cute. All right, so now let's go ahead and put our card together. Okay, so we're going to take our flap. Remember, this is the 1x4, and I'm going to take some snail. I'm going to put some snail on that 1-inch score line on the back side, and we're going to fold that over, and we're going to tuck this on the back side of the layer here with the basic black here to make sure that that's positioned in the center. Then we're going to take our handmade designer paper, put this on the front. Remember, you're going to put your 4-inch across the top. Just want to make sure. Nope, that's not the right way. So this way is the 4-inch. And you'll be able to tell, even just with that little bit of a difference. Okay, so isn't that cute? All right, then we're going to put the inside piece in the card. All right, so now we're going to take our flap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the basic black and I'm going to put the scallop edge onto the arm here. So I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive along this edge. You don't want to put it all the way across because we're only going to use a little piece of it for the attachment of the scallop. And I want to make sure that that's straight. And then really you could use either one of these, but I think she's cute for the front. And then we'll put the You're Utterly Fantastic on the inside to kind of cover up that back arm there. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love this card. All right, so one more thing, we're going to add some glittered, what is this? Glittered Organdy ribbon. This is the sparkly one that got carried over from the last catalog. So we're just going to cut a piece off here. And we're just going to tie it around the arm, just to add a little bit more sparkle to these cute cows. So you might be wondering where I got these bruises at on my hands, and I explain all this in the glitter pit. I fell upstairs, believe it or not, and I fell upstairs coming out of our pool. And this is really the least of the damage. I really bruised my ankle and my arm got scuffed up. Man, I got the works over. So, but I'm hoping everything will be all right. My ankle looks the worst. But, okay, so there's the little ribbon on there. Now we're going to take our Wink of Stella and color in our cows. All I'm going to do really is just color in the flower and her nose holes and her horns and then her boots on this one. And then a bell here and her hair. She's so cute. Okay, then we're going to color in these on the inside as well. So cute. So then you close the card here and then she flaps over. Oh, you know what? And we forgot to add the Whisper White piece to cover up this back panel here that we added the arm to. So we're going to go ahead and put adhesive on this piece and add it to the Whisper White. Almost forgot that piece. I don't want to see that back. Just trying to position that somewhat in the center. There we go. There we go. Now you don't see that on the back. And also gives you another writing space to write a message. But you'll see on my the Boo to You one, I put a panel right here too. So let me show you that one again. So here's the other one. Oh, I did add some rhinestones too. So you can add some rhinestones to really bling it out. And then here's the one we made in the glitter pit. Isn't it cute? So you can see the extra panel here. And then I added the little werewolf underneath the front. So cute. Because this stamp set also has 3 little images and I wanted to utilize them a lot for the card. So you can check out all the information about this card. And then I have all the items listed below this video, as well as the link to the Glitter Pit replay, all right? So if you have any questions, just let me know. And thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.